Walk away from me. Don't walk away. Taser, taser.
God, please help me. My Father, please help me, Father. I know you're here. You're pulling me to the right. I got you. I feel you, Lord. It's okay. I'm relaxing. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not
Yeah, you
resisting.
You are what you're saying.
I'm not resisting.
Let go your arm.
I'm not resisting.
All right.
I'm completely submitted to you. I promise. I promise, God.
All right, just get the cuff on that one.
If you could release your pressure, it hurts.
It's gonna hurt because you stop resisting. Put your arm out behind you. There you go. Bring it behind you. There you go.
And
48, Joe, with your
then he decided to walk away. He landed in the
49.
You okay?
Guys are down here.
Get him out of the room.
Just go sit up. And rescue. Sure, please.
So you can stand, okay? And I'm going to walk you through
Taser, clean up on myself as well.
Yeah, take a couple breaths.
like that.
But why? You didn't even need to.
I'm sorry.
There's no need for that.
I lost control of myself, and I forgot who I was.
We'll put him over in the shade.
Can you please?
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, go
You're
ahead
a
and
doll.
stand up. We're going to walk over here and sit down, okay? We're just going to get out of the road. We'll get them back for you. Sit. 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 There you go. Cross your feet. We'll let you run.
Thank you.
Here, have a vape.
Can you guys please forgive me for what I did?
No,
Well, you stole something and then you didn't want to listen to me. So no.
and you made me bleed.
This is my first time on Earth, and I didn't know that. I was testing myself, and I was.
All right, I'm gonna move my car out of the way. All right.
I'm not perfect. I do make mistakes, but there's things I can't really change. After I typed it in, that's why John Flash is doing this, so I can
No, I'm okay. We got rescue, but thank you so much.
fix it for you. All of your problems are fixed.
Neither one.
You alright, buddy?
Healed. Leave the hospital. Come to your family. Please. Brent,
Get an idea of this guy?
one day.
No idea. I was getting his information. He was giving it to me until I asked him to sit down.
Do you have a wallet on you or anything?
No.
Do you carry any money at all?
No, that's
Is that
fine.
why you were just taking stuff?
No, I don't. Everything,
But you did.
there is a debt to my people. I'm part of the people. God told me they are paying my debt. And I was just debt collecting at will. I didn't think I was doing anything wrong. Apparently this is the old world way. Still, down here. But not anymore, because I have fixed it.
What's your name, bud?
Bob Morrow.
What is it for real?
Brent.
I'm like, is he walking away? Is he tasing him? I'm like, is he still walking through the taser? And then I had to pass him, and then I had to tackle him. Dude, you've been arrested before, Brent?
I have been arrested, yes.
For what?
The first time they told me it was for...
Why don't we go through every time? The first time was for
second-degree robbery or something like that. Or
Something like that.
Where was that?
Oh, wow.
in Charleston.
Okay,
Charleston.
what's the second one?
I got picked up by the police because I was acting crazy in the street, and they took me to jail.
Yeah, when was this?
They didn't tell me a charge. They didn't ask me a question. Then they were asking for my ID, and I just went into this mode of.
Okay, what's the third time?
I went into survival mode.
Right.
In my survival school training, when we're being tortured, the only thing
Okay,
I'm
what's the
allowed
third
to say
time?
is my name, date,
What's the third
and
time? Third
social
one.
security number.
What was your third arrest?
This one right here.
Okay. So the first one was burglary/robbery. Where was that located?
Charleston, South Carolina.
All right. And how did it get adjudicated? How did it come out?
The law.
What?
The law finally saw the way, and they set me free according to the law that they follow and their way.
I gotta get my
God's
rib
way
checked
and their
out.
way. They set me free.
Okay. Fucking slammed him down.
After a
I
long
came up, he's walking away from Gus after he got tased twice. So he's coming down the street, I get ahead of him in my car, and I just grab him, I tackle him. But I fucking tweaked my rib.
Did you hit it on something, or is it just the way you...
Just the way I landed.
The way that he landed, the way he landed.
I feel fine, guys. Like, I could literally go
Oh,
home.
well, great. Glad you're okay. Appreciate that.
So I see him walking. Yeah, I already took pictures.
You down here with anybody, Brent?
Just myself right now.
Where are you staying?
I have some friends and some family around.
Where are you
So I
staying?
see him
I'm staying at the mansion down in the street.
other side of the
What do you do for a living?
I'm retired.
Retired what?
Air Force pilot. Combat veteran, disabled for PTSD. This is really messing me up on the combat PTSD level.
Oh,
Could you please help me just take these cups off so I can put my hands around my knees and let me know that I'm safe and I'm home
you're
free.
safe. Hey,
I
what's
see
up?
the American
Benny,
flag.
everything
I'm
okay over here?
safe.
I don't know. Check him out. I need to check out my ribs too.
Your ribs?
Yeah.
Sad?
I think I took him when I took him down right here.
Well, then we got to do a report on it and do it right if you genuinely feel that, so workers' comp.
What's up, man?
You got to do it the right way.
It's just like a little bit right there.
I mean, I'm just saying though, I would say definitely fill out the report, and if you want me to make a report for it too, this way it's on our records too.
All right.
Just let me know. Hold on, let me handle this stuff first.
Could you let them know that they're hurting? Advisement and your medical
Before I leave,
career that this
check his
vital
face.
from,
Sir, you have any pain anywhere?
just my hands from these
Your hands
cups.
from the cuffs? Yeah, I know they are tight. They hurt. I know they hurt.
It was a weird jog. It's probably on my body. It's just like dance jogging in the street, away from Gus, ignoring everything.
Yeah.
And then he gets tased and he just throws his hands up and then just kept going.
So the charge would be assault LEO, resisting, and whatever else.
And the reason for the stop was for
Well, theft.
it was a theft. They only wanted a trespass warning. Just went out with them and then all that happened.
Yeah, your heart is in sinus catch, but it's normal.
What was my heart rate?
It's 160 now, just like as it would be if you were jogging or doing some
What was it
exercise.
before?
160. Same. Just give them a little isopropyl. I'm sorry. Do a drop of saline and then just work that down.
It wasn't 180. I feel like it was 180 at
No.
one point.
160.
Are you hurt?
No.
Okay.
160.
Yo, Luce. What's up, Lucy? I'll talk to you soon. Just taking care of some stuff. Love you, girl.
Jackass.
Bitch, you better not talk to me like that. I'll beat you down. That's what some shit Jaw Flash would say in a situation in combat.
Maybe she knows something about this.
What's your name, man?
Jaw Flash.
Ma'am,
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
how do you know this guy?
Oh, I haven't seen him in a couple of years actually, but I met him probably 10 years ago when I first moved down here. I thought he moved away.
What did he do 10 years ago? What circumstances was that?
He just a friend of a friend's.
Friend of a friend's?
Yeah, I met him through when I first moved down here.
And what was his disposition like then?
Remind me of his
Brent?
Brent.
Brett?
Two T's.
I'm sure it's Brent.
I don't know.
You don't have to whisper.
He thinks he's Jesus.
Perfect. Well, I know, but I remembered my name. But I haven't seen him in years. I thought he moved away.
Well, what was he like when you knew him? No, you can speak free because we're trying to understand his disposition anyway.
He
seems a little off.
Likes to party a little.
Likes to what?
Likes to party a little over. Just a little. He's a lot. He's not really somebody that I hang out with all the time.
Likes his recreational drugs?
I don't know.
If you had to gander?
I don't. I wouldn't want to assume anything.
You don't have to assume he's acting a little crazy. Would you consider that something would be choices he would make?
Maybe. He liked to drink a lot when I knew him 10 years ago, but...
What did he do when he was down here?
I don't remember. He did a lot of photography. Like I said, I'm more of an acquaintance. He's not a friend of mine.
Don't worry about it. DCM. Sir, do you feel like you need to go to the hospital?
No, sir.
Okay.